Well, hi everybody. This is Toby. Toby is one of many of the animals that I sit for with the owner's house. Today, I bought him a pet store squeaky toy. He loves it. I have over 6 minutes of playtime of him running around the backyard. And I have to say, out of all the toys that I've purchased for this strapping young fellow, it has lasted the longest. You got your lips in there. Look. It is in pristine shape. Sure, it doesn't throw like a frisbee does, but it definitely goes somewhere when you throw it. Eight minutes. 8 minutes. Anyone out there can suggest to me a dog toy that is indestructible? Please leave that product in the comments below. That's right, folks. Thank you.